I am very impressed that this little lathe can take that much of a cut on stainless steel. I have these, I wanted to make myself some roll crimpers, 12 gauge roll crimpers. I could have bought them for $50, but I figured I got all this stainless steel and a lathe, might as well make one. But man, look at that. The stainless steel work hardens so easily. You really got to take aggressive cuts or it hardens up and it just chowders all the frig. So I got 50 of these carbide inserts, so I've kind of been using this tool for everything. I think I'll get it down to 3/8 to call it a day. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty impressive. Lathe only spins 600 RPMs and high.